Magandang araw! My name is Teacher Sel, a Filipino teacher from the Philippines. Kung gusto mong matuto ng wikang Tagalog, andito ako para turuan ka. In English, if you want to learn the Tagalog language, I am here to teach you. We'll start with basic greetings like Magandang araw. In English, good day. And common expressions like Kumusta? In English, how are you? And Salamat. In English, thank you. Don't worry if Filipino sounds new or challenging. I'll guide you step by step. My classes are patient, interactive, and designed for all levels, from beginner to advance. If you're ready to start your Filipino learning journey, book a class with me. Maraming salamat and I look forward to meeting you. See you!